How to get answer for online test Google form in mobile. To see the answer to Google form online test on your mobile, you need to access the form's response after it has been submitted. So here's how you could actually do it. So first thing, you have to go ahead and access the Google form. So I have it here. So you have the link right at the bottom, right? So when you tap on the link, it's going to direct you to the form where you could see this is how it's going to look like, right? So what you need to do is you want to click on Google form, and here you'll start with the form. So what you have to do is you simply want to look for the response or tap view or tap within the form, and you can usually see a summary of all the responses or click on individual responses to view the details, including the correct answer if the form creators has included them as well. So this is one way of done. So this is how you could do it. So now, while some methods might allow you to see answer before submitting, using such method is considered cheating and may not be permitted by the form creator as well. And some methods such as using cheat tools are unethical and can be used to manipulate the results. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.